What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Noah. Today we have come out to his pond. It's in a town nearby ours, but it is a fire pond, so we might be catching some mondos today. But Noah, tell them what you think about today.
Well, it's a little more mossy than the last time we were here.
Indeed.
And by that, I mean the entire pond's covered in moss.
Yeah, as you can see there.
So, I
And
mean,
over
there's
there.
still some 8 to 10 pounders in here that we're searching for.
I'd say there's probably a 13.
I'd say so, honestly,
maybe a 20,
too.
maybe a 25.
Yeah, but that's what we're looking for today, so.
Yep, world records. That's all we're going for today. World records.
Maybe.
That's all I'm going for. Let's set your standards high. And also, guys, Noah has a YouTube channel, and I will link it down below. And also,
way better than Brock's.
False. You know what? Maybe I won't link it. How you like that? All right, we're gonna get to fishing. Noah's hooked up to a big one.
Oh, dude.
Oh, nice.
Oh my God, Brock, get over here, dude.
Say 3-pounder probably.
I'd say like 3.5, yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, got one. Oh man, it's jumping everywhere. There we go. Brock's on the board. Choked it. There we go, guys. Fish numero uno. It was
Man, Noah's about to have. Noah's about.
Brock.
Nice one.
Dude, it's probably bigger than the first one. Oh, shoot, yeah. Do you have your scale?
Yeah, it's over in the Jeep.
You might want to kind of see how long this one is. Look where I hooked him. That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Right in the bottom lip.
Noah's got 2 on the board.
It's not as big as the last one, but it's hunky, it's fat. So,
Nice.
there we go. Woo! Number 2, catching up, Noah.
yeah, my great grandpa was John Gardner. He passed away a couple years ago. Yeah. We come here and fish all the time with my dad. My aunt, my great aunt, I have 2 great aunts and a great uncle.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Well, guys, we just had some officers show up. There's just a little bit of confusion. The neighbors over here, I guess there's been some like trespassing reports or something on this pond. But Noah's family owns this pond, so we're all good. Just a little bit of an inconvenience, so we sort it all out, but it's all right now.
They didn't recognize our vehicle, so they were making sure we weren't trespassing.
Yeah, I've never driven out here, so they didn't recognize the vehicle. But it's all good now.
Oh yeah. Man. Just a little dink. There we go. Number 3 on the board. While Noah's back there trying to fetch a lure. There we go. What do you want me to do? Hold the pole?
This whole thing's a horn.
Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, 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 oh! There we go. One today. Choked that one too. There we go. Number 4. Oh, oh. That one a little bit high.
This is a pretty good one. He's fat.
Yeah, it's nice. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. There you go. Nice.
Holy, look at the belly on this dude. Hang on,
That's a good one.
hang on. Wait till you see its stomach.
It's long, too.
Look at the belly on that
Nice.
thing.
Sweet.
I didn't do anything. Fish smack. No. No. Good one. Woo. There we go. Now we got a decent sized one. Probably 2 pounds. Woo. 5th fish of the day. Launched. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not heavy. There we go. see the fish? No. Just letting go. We actually live out in Nevada, so we came out here to fish. Yeah. Yeah, last year we came out here and we caught a bunch of like 5 and 6 pounders. Yeah, today's kind of an off day for this pond.
Alright guys, that was a pretty nice fish. It was probably a 3-pounder, but those guys on bikes, they had a couple little kids and they wanted to watch us fish for a minute, so caught that one for them to show them, but that was pretty cool. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up. We had a pretty good day of fishing today. Me and Noah came out to these ponds about 20 minutes from our house, and we caught a bunch of fish, and the fish we did catch fought like monsters. I swear there were a couple times where I thought I had like a 4 or 5 pounder on, but it just turned out to be a little fish. I think my best was probably about 3 today. I think his was 3.5, 4, somewhere around that range, but normally we catch just donkeys out of this pond, but today we just caught, I don't know, little fish that fought hard, but overall it was a pretty good day. Some officers showed up. I guess the neighbors called in. I guess they've had to run a few people fishing out here off, but this is actually Noah's aunt's place. So we have all rights to be out here. And then a little family biking showed up, and I got to catch a big fish for him. What'd you think about today? Do you have any comments about today, Noah?
Not really. Today was pretty good. Caught some 4-pounders, nothing bigger than that at all.
So we caught pipsqueaks is what he's saying.
Okay, well, it was a good start.
Yeah,
considering how mossy it is.
No, go ahead and go back to my last video and see what we caught there. And Noah wasn't there to catch him.
Because I wasn't invited.